Hi, my name is Paulina, and I'll tell you about Apps for Warsaw. We are the people who live in the cities, create them, and use them. Public open data can be very helpful with that. We've already seen a couple of brilliant high-level examples of how open public data can contribute to transparency and accountability of our governments. So I won't be getting into this. I'll give you an example, much more down to earth. I woke up this morning, and since the weather was nice, I decided to take a public bike to travel to the Copernicus Science Center. So I took out my smartphone and checked availability of public bikes in the nearby station. Went there and discovered it didn't work. So I took out my smartphone again and checked how can I travel to Copernicus Science Center with public transport. And I did so, getting here with only 15 minutes delay. And you know what? I guess at least some of you did something similar this morning. So we all know that open public data is something that is in our lives, that is important not only when we want to track what our governments are doing, but it can contribute to making our daily life better. And public data being open is becoming a new standard rather than novelty. So, in my opinion, what we should be doing right now is not looking for evidence to prove it useful, but look for new ways of opening data in much more effective ways that it is being done right now. That's why I want to share with you our local experience from opening data here in Warsaw. Apps for Warsaw is a joint initiative of partners from 3 different sectors. It's 3 NGOs, TechSoup Foundation, the Digital Center, TechSoup as the leader of the whole project, the Technical University of Warsaw, and Orange Labs. We've been cooperating with the City of Warsaw and got the whole thing funded by the National Center for Research and Development. So, as you can see, it's a complicated and diverse partnership that is working together in order to make public data in Warsaw more open and more accessible to each and every one of us. We've been working for a year right now, and it's a work in progress. So, in the last year, we've managed to open data, build a platform that exposes it, and we started a contest for applications based on Warsaw public data. Speaking of the platform, it's an innovative tool that combines 2 functions. It presents both static and real-time data. The first part, that presents static data, is based on CCAN. It's a tool developed by the Open Knowledge Foundation that some of you might have probably heard of. And the second part, the function server, presents real-time data. Wow, we are really proud of our partners from Orange Labs that developed this tool. But everything that I'm talking about wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for the City of Warsaw. The City of Warsaw is not only the source, but also the provider of data and our partner on every step of the process. At the beginning of the project, we signed an agreement with them that shaped the future of our cooperation. And right now, we are working with them in order to develop a policy of openness in the City of Warsaw. In order to bring the public data closer to every citizen, we designed a contest for applications. Right now, we are in the middle of the process, working with the contestants to develop applications that hopefully will benefit to our daily lives, as well as transparency and accountability of Warsaw government. Should you have any further questions, visit our website and contact us at our email, or just speak to me afterwards. Thank you very much.